Strategic thinking is evolving fast. In this final video, we're stepping back to look forward, exploring the future of strategic thinking and what it means for leaders, teams, and anyone building something that matters. For years, strategy was top-down, static, and often reactive. Plans were long, rigid, and built for stability. But in today's world, defined by speed, uncertainty, and disruption, that model is outdated. The future of strategy is agile, data-informed, cross-functional, and deeply human. Let's start with agility. Traditional strategy worked in annual cycles, but today conditions shift weekly. Competitive moves, platform changes, market behavior, everything evolves in real time. The best strategic thinkers now operate on rolling updates. They set long-term direction but refresh assumptions, tactics, and execution constantly. Planning becomes a living process. This demands a shift from prediction to preparedness. Instead of betting on one big plan, modern strategists prepare for multiple scenarios. They build flexible systems, test ideas quickly, and make space for iteration. It's less about guessing right and more about adapting fast. Another key shift is the rise of data-driven intuition. Strategy used to rely heavily on gut instinct and historical precedent. Those still matter, but now they're paired with real-time data. Tools like predictive analytics, sentiment analysis, and AI-powered dashboards give leaders deeper visibility into customer behavior, market signals, and performance patterns. This makes strategic choices faster, sharper, and more grounded. But even as AI rises, the human edge becomes more important. The best strategies won't come from algorithms alone. They'll come from people who know how to ask better questions, connect dots, and make bold decisions with imperfect information. Empathy, ethics, and creativity will matter just as much as data. Strategic thinking is also becoming more inclusive. It's no longer the domain of the C-suite. Everyone, from frontline employees to freelancers, is being empowered to think and act strategically. That means more collaboration, more transparency, and more bottom-up insight driving top-down plans. Cross-functional teams are now the engine of strategic work. When marketing, product, operations, and customer service align around the same goals and share real-time input, they build more adaptable and resilient strategies. The lone strategist is being replaced by smart systems and empowered teams. We're also seeing a growing focus on purpose-driven strategy. Organizations are realizing that profit alone isn't enough. Customers, employees, and investors want meaning. They want to see long-term impact, environmental sustainability, and social responsibility embedded into the core of the business. Strategy is no longer just about outperforming competitors, it's about serving a mission. In this new world, tools like SWOT remain essential, but they evolve too. SWOT becomes dynamic, linked to dashboards updated in sprints, and integrated into agile planning. It becomes something teams revisit monthly, not yearly. The future of SWOT is fast, focused, and flexible. Strategic thinking is also becoming more visual, more participatory, and more connected. Digital whiteboards, collaborative platforms, and interactive dashboards are turning strategy from something hidden in boardrooms into something everyone can see, shape, and share. The strategist of tomorrow is a systems thinker, a storyteller, a facilitator, and a change maker. They balance clarity and curiosity. They lead through questions, not just answers. And they help others see the future not as something to fear, but something to design. So as you finish this course, ask yourself, what assumptions do I need to revisit more often? Where can I make strategy more collaborative? How can I use data without losing empathy? What would it look like to lead strategy with purpose? The future of strategic thinking isn't locked in a binder. It's built in real time by people like you. Every decision, every conversation, every plan. Keep asking questions. Keep refining your view. Keep building what matters. Because strategy isn't just about where you go, it's about how you think along the way.